Hi there. Affinity Publisher can create sections which allow you to logically separate your publication into related groups of pages. For instance, a table of contents, a chapter 1, a chapter 2, or an index, for instance. So taking this example, we've got this Alice in Wonderland novel, and I want to come down to page 4 and 5, which is a spread, and start creating a section from chapter 1. Now chapter 1 has a heading 1 style assigned to it, so it's easily identifiable and understood as a section. So first of all, I want to just come up to the section manager on the Pages panel. Now by default, whenever you create a document, you get a single section, section 1. And that extends from page 1 right to the end of the document. And the objective with sectioning out a document is that you build up the different sections within here. So we'll come back to this in a short while. But I want to, from this page, create a section. So I can right-click it, choose Start New Section. And you'll see that we've now return back to the section manager, but it's identified that because I've chosen this page 5, that it needs to be section 2, page 5 to the end of the document. So I'll just select this text. I can also add in the section name in there optionally, and that identifies the sections as we go through the publication. Now some of the other options on here related to page numbering, but we'll deal with those in the later page numbering tutorial. So I'll click Close. Now I can jump through and find my next heading ones. And we'll take the same approach here. So right click, Start New Section. Let's copy that, drop in the section name, close. And now I can repeat this through to the end of the publication. Okay, so I've added my sections now, and I can go and show you that in the section manager. There's sections all the way from 1 to 13. But now I want to concentrate on the main reason why you'd want to include section names. So section names can be used as fields which can be inserted into the master page footer of your document, which means that as each chapter is shown, it will show the section name for that chapter automatically. So going to the master page, unchecking the background images for more clarity, and we'll just zoom into this bottom right hand corner a little bit for more clarity. There we go, and go back to the frame text tool. I'll just click in there and we've got alignment to right. So all I'll be able to do now is to go to the View menu to insert a field, View Studio, Fields, and then pick up in document sections, the section name. I double click, and you can see the section name is reported there in that text frame. So switching back the images back on, excuse me, and then coming out to a particular publication, you can see that the section name for that chapter, just here the Pool of Tears is showing, and if we come down a little bit further down, say for this document, for this page, you can see the section name automatically for this chapter is showing in the footer.